T4 is Crowcon's personal protection solution for alerting against the four most prevalent gas hazards: oxygen depletion, carbon monoxide, hydrogen sulfide, and flammable gases. As well as the one-button operation and easy-to-use menus standard to all Crowcon products, you'll find T4 is rich in beneficial features. Positive safety. Crowcon's visual traffic light indication gives you constant assurance that T4 is compliant and operating soundly. TWA resume function, unique to T4, ensures the correct assessment of exposure to toxic gas over your entire shift because, unlike other units, T4 doesn't assume your work shift is just beginning each time you turn it on. With a battery life of 24 hours, T4 allows you to work multiple shifts between recharging, and its display can be inverted so you can easily read the screen while still wearing it. Rugged construction and an integrated rubber boot makes T4 one of the most durable units available. An optional clip-on filter cover, which you can easily remove and replace, ensures sensors are protected in dirty environments. T4's intrinsically safe design is also certified for use in ATEX Zone 0 and UL Class 1 Division 1 areas, making T4 your ideal partner for demanding industrial environments. These and many other intelligently designed features mean Crowcon's T4 portable multi-gas detector gives you confidence however you look at it.